Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today I'm going to be doing a couple looks out of this new release from Natasha Denona. It is her Mini Gold palette. This palette is available at Sephora, online only, and it sells for $25. Here are the colors. And as you can see, it is in a similar vein to her 12 Gold release. That one retails for, it's either $129 or $159, and this is $25. And it's 2 mattes, 2 glitters, and a shimmer. And let me go ahead and swatch these for you. None of these colors actually appear in the larger palette, and it's Anthea, and then Dark Sepia, Dor, that's D''O''R, Bia, and last but not least is Lodge. So I think what I'm going to do is 2 different looks from this palette. I think to start off with, I am going to use that Anthea, which is just a nice light kind of tan matte color, which would be really good for the crease. And I think if you are fair, light to medium skin, that this will be a good transition color. I think if you've got darker skin, this might be too light. And now, really, I think the absolute most amazing color in this is the Dor color, and I am just going to go in with my finger. Oh, there's just so much shine and glitter, and it's just beautiful, and it goes on really nicely. This is what we have come to expect from Natasha Denona, and this does not disappoint. I think in general her quality in her mini palettes has just been getting better and better, and so far in this palette I am very pleased. Oh my goodness, just it's so fabulous. All right. Yeah, I think all I'm gonna do now is take the Dark Sepia and this smudger brush, pick a little bit of that up and go under my eye a bit with that. Okay, apparently I need to pick up a little bit more than that. That's giving me a little bit darkness down below. Now there's that Dark Sepia, but honestly, I think that might be the one shade that's a little disappointing. I am having a hard time working with it, not just trying to smudge it beneath my lower lash line. So out of the Boss Babe Betty Buxom palette, I brought that here so I could pick up the Unapologetic, which is an extremely dark brown shade, and I can work that right into my lash line. So I think on this palette, if you like to work a dark color into your lash line, that will be something you'll have to grab a different palette for. All right, and I just have a clean, small shader brush to blend that. And I really think that's all that needs to be done to get this really dramatic look using the gold. Just use that matte shade, pop that in your crease, put the gold on the lid, use that dark sepia and mascara, and you're done. For the other side, let's definitely go explore the green side of this palette. I still want to lay down a really thin coat. It makes me sound like I'm painting. A little bit of that matte tan. I just want to lay that down first. For my skin tone, it is just like the perfect crease color. And I would say the palette's worth it just for that for me. All right, so got that. And now I want to build up some of that, the Bia, this kind of olive green. And I'm gonna start a little bit lower. Actually more in the actual crease. Get my hair out of the way for you there. And I think I'm gonna just bring that down to the lash line. I am using a, I should have told you this. This is, what brush is this? This is a MAC 221. And I'm just working that into the lash line and then up in the crease. All right, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Okay, and then let's go in with that Lodge color. And again, I'm gonna use my finger for that. The warmth, the warmth and the oils from your finger really do help these shimmers and glitters to go on so much better. Wow. Oh, that is just gorgeous. And I think this is a bit of a duochrome color. Although I'm not seeing a big shift. I do see that it does pick up more gold when I'm turning my head in the light. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Okay, let's see here. I am going to try going in with dark sepia again under my lower lashes. I just really cleaned off this Morphe brush. I was really surprised how it ended up on this eye. So let me try it again. And it seems to go a little bit better. And I'm just going to kind of stamp it out here and then blend that in and up to the crease just to get a little weight, a little darkness out there. All right, let me pop off and do mascara and I'll be right back. And here is the final look complete with mascara. I will say there is quite a lot of fallout from the dark sepia and the gold color. So my recommendation is do your eyes first and then your foundation. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. I post every Monday and Thursday. Have a really fantastic day.